Hey everybody, Rod Egan here, Worldwide Auctioneers. I wanted to chat with you a little bit about one of the great cars, Auburn, Indiana, home of Auburn's, Cords, and Duesenbergs. In the Cord category, love this car, Palm Beach tan, great color, really understated. Special car here. There was only 196 factory supercharged Phaetons built, and this one from 1937 is probably one of the best ones in existence, and certainly one of the best ones in the market right now. What's special about this car? Well, a few things. I touched on the fact that there's only 197 of them. But you go back into the history of this car, and it starts with some of the ownership. Harry Denhart owned this car from the 30s through the 70s, and he's the founder of the ACD Club. Further with the ACD Club, this car is, of course, ACD certified. It's a major award winner. It's won awards, CCCA, AACA. More importantly, it's won the best cord in 2015 at the ACD Club National Reunion. So this has been proven. I'm not just telling you it's great. It's been proven to be one of the very best there is. And in fact, the next year it went back, 2016, it was awarded Senior Emeritus, which is kind of code for your car probably would have won again, but we can't make anybody else mad and let you win 2 years in a row. But it is that kind of car. It's that kind of car. I've had the pleasure of driving this car. Runs great, handles great, and the coffin nose cords, they're just iconic. There's nothing else like them in the world. Again, one of my favorite cars from the 30s. Come see us Labor Day weekend, Auburn, Indiana, Saturday, where this car will sell without reserve to the high bidder. Phenomenal car, great opportunity. This car and a host of other great cars. Come down and see us in Auburn, hang out with us for the weekend.